In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Netflix payment details and payment method. So you can't actually do this inside of the Netflix app, which is a shame, but it is very easy inside of the web version of Netflix. So open up a web browser and you need to go ahead and obviously go to netflix.com. Now once you're here, you might have to sign in. So go to sign in the top right hand corner. And then from here, you can enter in your email and password to Netflix, or you can use a sign-in code if you don't know the password and you have access to the email. I'm just going to log in real quick now. Okay, so now we're logged into Netflix. I'm going to go manage account and we can then change the payment method. So when you click on manage account, it actually takes you straight into the account section. Now, if you don't get to this section straight away, then here's how I would get there. On the Netflix homepage, you can go to that will take you to the same account page. And from here, you can go ahead and click manage payment method. Then from here, you'll see all of the cards on file. Now you can't delete a payment method without adding one. So click add payment method. You have to have a card on file. Then you can go credit or debit card and add your payment method. Enter in your card details. And then once you've done that, you'll see your card appear. You can go ahead and click update and essentially select that card, and then any other remaining card you can click on the three dots next to it and then click remove, and that is how you would do it.